The world of automotive YouTube has seen many exciting builds, but few creators have managed to capture attention like Matt Armstrong. He is known for taking damaged and broken supercars and turning them back into working machines through patience, skill, and problem solving. One of the biggest stories in his journey involves two very special cars made by Bugatti. These are the Bugatti Veyron and the Bugatti Chiron. Both of these cars are not normal vehicles. They are among the fastest, most expensive, and most complex machines ever built. In this story, both cars are facing serious problems at the same time, and that is what makes everything so interesting. Instead of one difficult project, there are two running side by side, each with its own challenges. The Veyron is already deep into repair work, while the Chiron is still going through major rebuilding and part sourcing. What makes this situation even more dramatic is that both cars require special knowledge, rare parts, and careful work that cannot be rushed. Even small mistakes can lead to huge costs or delays. Fans watching this journey are not just seeing cars being fixed. They are seeing a full story of patience, problem solving, and engineering challenges in real time. The updates from Matt Armstrong show how unpredictable these builds can be. One day things may move forward, and the next day a new issue appears that changes everything. This creates a feeling of constant uncertainty, but also excitement, because no one knows what will happen next. The story of these two Bugattis is not just about fixing machines. It is about trying to bring life back into cars that were once considered almost impossible to repair. And that is why this update has gained so much attention from car lovers around the world. The Bugatti Veyron is one of the most complex cars ever made, and working on it is never simple. In this story, the Veyron has become a constant challenge for Matt Armstrong and his team. At first, the repairs seemed manageable, but as work continued, more problems started to appear. What looked like small issues from the outside turned out to be much deeper once the car was opened. Many parts inside the car were damaged, worn out, or not working as expected. This is common with high-performance cars, especially when they have been through accidents or long periods of poor maintenance. Every time one problem is fixed, another issue often appears, which makes progress slow and sometimes frustrating. The Veyron is built with very advanced engineering, which means even simple repairs can become complicated. Parts are not easy to find, and many of them are extremely expensive. Some components may need to be custom-made or sourced from special suppliers, which adds more time to the process. As the team works on the car, they also have to be very careful not to damage other systems. One small mistake can affect many different parts of the vehicle. Because of this, every step must be planned and checked properly. The situation becomes even more stressful when unexpected issues appear during inspections. These surprises can delay the project and increase costs quickly. Despite all these challenges, the team continues to push forward, trying to solve each problem one by one. The Veyron story shows that even the most powerful cars in the world are not easy to repair once they break. It also shows how much patience and skill is needed to bring such a machine back to life. At the same time, the Bugatti Chiron is going through its own difficult journey. Unlike the Veyron, which is already in deep repair stages, the Chiron is dealing with a different kind of challenge. This project is not just about fixing damage. It also involves finding rare parts, working with international suppliers, and managing a complex rebuilding process across different locations. In many cases, parts for a Bugatti are not available in normal shops or garages. They must be specially ordered, manufactured, or transported from different countries. This makes the entire process slow and carefully planned. Matt Armstrong and his team have had to coordinate with multiple workshops and experts to keep the project moving forward. Some parts are custom-made, which means they take time to design and produce before they can even be installed. The Chiron project shows how modern hypercars are not just vehicles, but highly advanced machines that require global effort to repair. Even small components can take weeks or months to arrive. This creates delays, but also gives time for planning and precision. Every stage of the build must be done in the correct order, or it can affect the entire process. Unlike older cars, the Chiron is filled with advanced systems, electronics, and performance features that all need to work together perfectly. Because of this, even experienced mechanics must study and carefully follow technical details before making changes. The project is not just about fixing damage, but also about understanding how every part of the car works as a system. This makes the Chiron build both challenging and fascinating, especially for viewers who follow the updates closely as both projects continue. The pressure naturally becomes much higher. Working on one Bugatti is already difficult, but handling two at the same time creates even more stress for Matt Armstrong and his team. Costs begin to rise quickly because parts are expensive and repairs take time. Each update brings new surprises, and sometimes these surprises are not positive. Fans watching the progress online often react strongly to each new development. Some people are amazed by the progress, while others worry about how expensive and difficult the builds are becoming. There are even discussions about whether the projects are too large to complete successfully. However, there are also supporters who believe that these builds could become some of the most impressive automotive achievements ever shown on YouTube. The combination of two complex cars, both requiring constant attention, creates a unique situation that keeps viewers engaged. Every small change in the workshop becomes important because it can affect the final outcome. Even simple repairs can take days of careful work. The emotional pressure is also high because everyone involved knows how valuable these cars are. Mistakes are not easily forgiven when dealing with machines worth millions. This is why every decision must be carefully considered before action is taken. Despite the stress and challenges, the team continues to move forward. Their focus remains on solving problems step by step. Even when progress feels slow, the dual nature of the project, with both the Veyron and Chiron moving through different stages, creates a constant balance of difficulty and hope that as the work continues, deeper investigations into both cars begin to reveal more detailed problems. In the Bugatti Veyron, some issues only become visible after parts are removed and systems are carefully checked. What first looked like simple damage often turns out to involve hidden faults inside the structure of the car. This is one of the biggest challenges in working with advanced vehicles. Many systems are connected, so one issue can affect many others. In the case of the Veyron, the team sometimes finds that fixing one part reveals another problem elsewhere. Meanwhile, the Bugatti Chiron is also going through detailed inspection. As parts are examined closely, the team begins to understand the full history of the car, including previous repairs and replacements. Some components do not match original records, which raises questions and requires further investigation. This type of discovery is common in complex rebuild projects, especially when cars have changed hands or been repaired multiple times before. Matt Armstrong and his team must carefully compare technical information, measurements, and physical parts to understand what is correct and what is not. These investigations take time, but they are necessary to ensure the car is safe and properly rebuilt. Every discovery adds more clarity, but also sometimes adds more questions. This slow process of uncovering hidden details is what makes the rebuild both challenging and interesting. It shows that high-performance cars are not just machines, but complex systems with long histories that must be understood before they can be fully restored. At one point in the process, something very interesting begins to happen. While working on both the Bugatti Veyron and the Bugatti Chiron, the team starts noticing small connections between the two projects. Certain patterns in parts and technical details seem to overlap, even though the cars are different models. This creates a new line of thinking for Matt Armstrong and his team. Instead of seeing them as two completely separate problems, they begin to explore whether solving one issue could help with the other. This idea changes the direction of the investigation. It suggests that both cars may share more similarities than expected, especially in how certain systems behave or how certain components fail. While this does not mean the cars are the same, it does open the door to new solutions. In complex engineering projects, finding patterns is very important because it can save time and effort. If one solution works for both cars, it could significantly speed up progress. However, this also adds pressure, because any mistake in understanding these connections could lead to wrong decisions. The team must be careful, testing every idea before applying it. Still, this moment represents a turning point in the story. Instead of two separate struggles, the project begins to feel like one larger challenge with shared lessons. This shift in thinking helps guide the next steps of the rebuild and brings new hope to the process. As the story moves forward, progress slowly begins to show results. In the Bugatti Veyron, repairs start to take shape and systems are tested one by one. After many challenges, the car finally shows signs of life again. This moment is very important for Matt Armstrong and his team because it confirms that their hard work is paying off. However, the journey is not fully complete. The Bugatti Chiron still has many issues that need attention, and its full recovery will take more time. Even so, the progress made so far shows that both projects are moving in the right direction. Fans who have followed the journey from the beginning can see how much effort has gone into each step. The story of these two Bugattis is not just about fixing cars. It is about patience, learning, and refusing to give up when problems become difficult. Every challenge has taught the team something new, and every setback has led to better understanding. In the end, this journey shows that even the most complicated machines can be repaired with enough time, skill, and determination. It also shows how powerful teamwork and persistence can be when facing difficult goals. As the updates continue, the audience remains eager to see what happens next, especially with the second Bugatti still waiting for its final breakthrough. Even after the first signs of progress, the situation around both the Bugatti Veyron and the Bugatti Chiron is still far from stable. In projects like these, early success does not always mean the problems are over. In fact, sometimes it reveals even more hidden issues that were not visible before. For Matt Armstrong and his team, every improvement brings both relief and caution. The Veyron may start showing life again, but that does not guarantee that it will run perfectly or stay reliable. High-performance cars often behave in unpredictable ways after long repairs. Systems that were once disconnected or repaired may need further adjustment. At the same time, the Chiron continues to demand attention, with its own complex problems still waiting to be solved. The challenge of working on both cars at once means the team must constantly switch focus, manage time, and carefully prioritize tasks. One wrong decision in timing or repair order can slow everything down. This creates a working environment that is both exciting and stressful. Every day brings new information, and every discovery changes the plan slightly. Even small changes in parts or wiring can affect the entire system of a hypercar. Because of this, nothing is ever considered fully finished until the car is tested properly on the road. The audience watching these updates sees only the final results and major moments, but behind the scenes, there are hours of testing, checking, and rechecking. The story becomes not just about fixing cars, but about understanding how deeply complex modern engineering really is. Each step forward is earned through careful work and constant attention to detail. This is what makes the journey so engaging for viewers. It is not predictable, and it is never simple. Every update feels like a new chapter in an ongoing story where the ending is still unknown. As the rebuild process continues, the pressure on Matt Armstrong and his team becomes more intense. Working on the Bugatti Veyron alone would already be a major challenge, but combining it with the ongoing work on the Bugatti Chiron makes the situation even more demanding. Every part ordered, every system tested, and every repair completed must be carefully tracked. This is because mistakes at this level can be extremely expensive and time-consuming to fix. The team must also deal with waiting times for rare parts, which can slow down progress for days or even weeks. During these pauses, planning becomes very important. Instead of stopping work completely, they use the time to study other systems, prepare future steps, and review technical details. This helps reduce delays once parts arrive. At the same time, the audience watching online continues to grow more interested. Many viewers are not just watching for entertainment, but also to understand how such complex cars are repaired. This creates a strong connection between the project and its audience. People begin to follow every update closely, waiting to see how each problem is solved. The emotional side of the story also grows stronger. Each success feels like a shared victory, while each setback feels like a shared challenge. This kind of engagement is rare in automotive content and helps make the story more powerful. The combination of technical difficulty, financial pressure, and audience attention creates a unique situation where every decision matters more than usual. Through all of this, the team continues working step by step, focused on completing two of the most complicated automotive rebuilds ever attempted in this space. Eventually, the long process of investigation and repair begins to show more visible results in the Bugatti Veyron. Systems that once failed start responding again, and the car begins to behave more like it should. For Matt Armstrong and his team, this is a rewarding moment after many difficult weeks of work. However, even as progress is made, the Bugatti Chiron still presents serious challenges. It is not yet at the same stage, and its problems require further investigation and careful repairs. This difference in progress between the two cars creates a natural balance in the story. One project moves forward while the other continues to struggle, reminding everyone that complex rebuilds do not progress evenly. Some problems are solved quickly, while others take much longer to fully understand. This uneven progress is part of what makes the story realistic and engaging. It reflects how real engineering projects work in real life, where no two problems are ever identical. Every success in the Veyron gives the team more confidence, while every issue in the Chiron keeps them focused and careful. Together, these experiences help build knowledge that can be used across both projects. The audience continues to follow the journey closely, knowing that the final outcome is still uncertain. This uncertainty keeps interest high, because the next update could bring either a major breakthrough or a new setback. In